Kumshi bentaban kenere lagi kiti nak bentaban yarap iki kena don sap hakal yang kecingsna kali ka Toyota Kirloskar motor mendak singi ke santri unaitung arja arpulai kala play pat ba ya ka Toyota Technical Education Program ka bandru pulai but IT ru ya artli ke machine sya ka Don Bosco Technical School Shillong ka badai ka jaka ai jinghikai na ka bentaki kena but ka bandai ru ka wei ka lat banya trei lang but ka ka company na ka bentaban pentebet ya ki kena hakal yang bansna kali ka Toyota Technical Education Program kandai hakasin ka bringkong apo ka jalla Meghalaya banya trei lang mat ka Don Bosco Technical School ka ban ai jinghikai ban pentebit yaki khana da ka jing karsan lang ka Automotive Skill Development Corporation ASDC ka jing thmu bokong san jongani ka jing sedang kalong ban plelat plelanti yaki khana samla ki badon sap batru bandang kan tiu sho wat sakithan nong kandong nak banta ban plelat ban yo kam yo jam ling ba kan ka company ling ba ki jinghikai Nakaliang Vikram Gulati, Country Head and Executive Vice President Toyota Kirloskar Motor Ulaong. Lingba ka jing sedang jong Toyota Technical Education Program kan kentiu ya kerukom ai jinghikai kat kum ka jok bementa badak jing trei lang mat ka ASDC Center Don Bosco Technical School Shillong kan la ru ban pen khlan chu shu bat ban plelat yaki khun samla nadu ki bahasor bat ru hak jaka nong kendong.
First of all, really happy to be here at Shillong today. Today we've actually launched the 63rd Toyota Technical Education Program Institute here in partnership with the ASDC and Don Bosco. And we're really happy and pleased that we've been able to get such exemplary and good partners for this initiative that has now started for the first time in this state and Shillong. This is basically an initiative to impart world-class training to students in the space of automotive maintenance and especially for advanced technology. So we're also going to be exposing the children to advanced hybrid electric vehicle technologies. They will learn hands-on. They will also have the possibility of doing on-job training with our dealer partner here, who's very closely involved in this entire initiative. So far, across the country, we've trained around 12,000 students, out of which 70% have got employment with us. And going forward, we feel that this is a small contribution from our side towards Skill India, towards making the students here employable. And our focus going forward is going to be on the rural students from the rural sector and students with financially challenged backgrounds. And yesterday, we just announced the STAR program, which is the scholarship program for technical education and recognition, by which students will also be getting scholarships and money to undertake TTAP programs. Skilling has a very high percentage in terms of education, imparting of education at the primary and secondary level. And I think we have to reach that level. If a student gets skilled, he can employ himself, he can employ others. And hence, there is no dearth of economic opportunity for an individual who is truly well skilled. So I would urge the students to look at getting enrolled into good skilling programs, getting skilled, and hence contributing not only to their families but also to the betterment of the society.
Ka Dr. Maisel Amprin Lingdo kepada Menteri Sarkar habakran kum ka kongsan kalaong. Baga jing sedang jong ka Toyota Kirloskar motor ha ka jing trei lang bat ka ASDC Center Don Bosco Technical School Shillong kan long ka jing khu na ka banta ban ai jing hikai yaki khun samla bat kan plelat ru ha ka kam yo jam yaki khana ki badan ka sap ka phong ha ka ni ka lan.
Don Bosco Technical School is an institution that has done exceptionally well, and you've just heard, through 100 years. And the training that they impart to the young people is quality training, is also supportive training, and I am so happy that Toyota has come forward. I was wondering whether it was a CSR program, but Sir has just said that this is a program that is designed from other sources. Now that's very, very good. I'm so happy that in this turnaround of technology, we have Sir Vikram Gulati representing the entire Toyota team. I will not remember everybody's name, please pardon me, but exceptional, exceptional dedication for Toyota to come all the way to Meghalaya and set up an institution like this and be willing to partner with, of course you've got the right partner, for sure, but coming all the way here and actually are willing to train our kids in these new modern technologies in vehicles. You'll not believe it, nobody drives a Maruti 800 anymore. About 20 years back, Maruti 800 was the most happening vehicle. But today you see, nobody cares about Maruti 800. Nobody sees a carburetor in a vehicle. Of course, drivers like us should learn at least how to change the tires in case we get stuck anywhere in the jungle. But the point I'm trying to drive home to these young people is, go earn for yourselves. Go seek employment. Believe me, don't think that if you're a graduate with 45%, you have a high rate in the market. It's better you have a TTEP certificate program from Don Bosco than to go for 3 years and come up with a result which is just 45-50% BA or BCom. You will not get jobs. This is something you have to understand. Yeah, see, problem with the state of Meghalaya is that many people imagine that okay, chalo, let's have a 10 to 5 job with government. Everybody will line up for a government job. That's not